Hi guys, if you want to work on Linux, you should know the basic commands of Linux. So let's start. Today we will cover basic commands of Linux. If your database server is in your laptop, then open it first. So let's see. Open it with normal start. Yes, it is starting. Yes, it is starting. Yes, it is open. Second step, open your client software, that is putty. Load it and open it. Okay, let me change font size so you can see clear. Go in appearance to change font style and font size. We'll put 16 here. Open it. Log in as Oracle. Put your password here. So our first command for Linux is df-h. It is used to see file system details. Correct. Here you can see the details you have configured. These are mount points, backup, U01, U02. These are mount points. The second command is pwd. It is used to see present working directory, that currently you are in home/Oracle. If you want to check user, then you can fire one command, that is id. Your username is Oracle. Correct. You can use another command to see user, that is who am I. It shows you directly, that is Oracle. Correct guys. And it is used for root directory. Next one is cd for change directory. Now you can see files and directory by ls-ltr. Here you can see files and directories are present here. You can use another command, that is l. Same details are here, you can see. If you want to clear this, fire clear command to clear. So move to next command, that is su-root. It is used to switch user, that is switch user to root. Then enter. Put your root password. Okay, check it. What is your username by id. Correct. Another command is who am I. if you want to add user, the command is user add and your username Oracle. Okay, Oracle already exists. We'll go with another user add Ram. Okay, Ram is already there. User add Samir and put your password for Samir, and the command is passwd and my password is same Samir. New password is also my Samir. Okay, if you want to add another user, put same command and put your username, that is Sam, and your password passwd password is Sam. New password is also Sam. If you want to change, you can change. If you want to check how many users are there in your OS, then check with cat/etc/passwd. Here you can see we have created two users, that is Samir and Sam. Correct. If you want to delete one user from them, okay, I am deleting Samir. The command is userdel Samir. Let's check. See here guys, Samir is not there. Correct. The next one is, if you want to add a text file, the command is touch and your file name, that is school.txt. If you want to edit school.txt, let me check first if it's there or not. Yes, it is there. You can see here school.txt. Let me add some data in school.txt. The command is vi and your file name school.txt. Here you can add some details for school. Press I for insert and put your details. Akshay. Second student name is Samir. Third one is Sam. Afterwards, if you want to save this, press escape, then colon, W for save and Q for quit. Check it. If your details are there or not. Here you can see your details. Correct. If you want to give serial numbers to these names, the command is go to school.txt, press I for insert, command is SENU. Here you can see your serial numbers are there. Correct. WQ, save and quit. If you want to count the line number on file, the command is wc -l and your file name, that is school.txt. Okay, it is showing 4. It count your space below Sam also. Okay, you can check your file size also by du-sh and your school.txt. Here it is showing 4 KB. If you want to exit from here, put exit command. Here you can see logout. Again press exit. ओके सो आज की वीडियो में गाइस इतना ही। बाकी के जो कमांड्स बचे हैं वो हम देखेंगे पार्ट 2 में। थैंक यू।